seat dito tayo sa harapan. And of course, for those visitors who are still outside, please proceed na po tayo dito sa ating party area because we were going to start to celebrate someone's birthday, alright? So, it's my pleasure for me to introduce them to you. Ayan, the very first time, the reason why we are having birthday boy. Okay, so kaya Leonard, music please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay kids, may kasamang palakpak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Cloud! Okay, wala pa. Tama na muna. Oh, wala pa. Ready ka ate. Okay. So, ate, bago tayo magsimula, what's your name?
Later na lang maglaro kayo, maglaro.
Okay, Ate Kylie. Tama? Ate Kylie. So, Ate Kylie, ready ka na po?
Happy birthday, Cloud!
Tinatanong ko pala kung ready ka na. Ready ka na po ba?
Opo!
Okay, ready na. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Cloud!
Ilan taon ka na, Ate Kylie? Kanya?
4.
Oh, yes. Oh, nag-aaral ka na? Nag-aaral na po?
Sibol.
Ano yun, ma'am?
Sibol.
Sibol? Ah, sibol. Okay. Basta yun, nag-aaral ka na. Ready, Ate Kylie? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Ate!
Mami mo ba yun? Mami mo. Okay, ano sasabihin mo kay mami?
Hi, Mami. Hi, Mami. I love you.
Ayun, okay. So, Ate Kylie, ready na. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Cloud!
Ayun, pala naman natin si Ate Kylie. So, sa ngayon. Ayan. Wala pa. Meron pa music. Style ba? Ikot. Ikot. 1, 2, 3. Wala pa. Meron pa music. Meron pa ikot. Ayan na. Oh. Ayan, ang na-out si Kuya Caleb yan. So, thank you very much for Caleb. Please stand up naman tayo. Stand up. Ayan na. Oh, wala pa. Short lang. Practice. 1. Up. Ayan, dinaan ni Kuya Caden sa katawanan. Ate Kylie, sitan ka muna. Magkamatubos mo.
Alright, hello, Laman Chan. Ayan, kasya ka ba? Ayan, nakipagod ba? Okay, kids, sabi naman sa aming special guest today na si Lala. Alright, so dito ko sa gitna, Lala Chan. Tingnan ko kayo natin ng mga kids natin. Okay, so Lala Chan, say hi naman sa mga guests. Sa lahat ng guests ni Cloud. Ayan, hindi na siya nakita si Lala Chan. Okay, so before tayo mag-group picture, ngayon ang special performance. Ayun o, taas ang energy ni Lala. Energy pa! Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish mo na, baby Raylan. Okay, si